Little research has been conducted on digital communication avenues with students in higher educational institutions. Carnval, in the Chronicle of Higher Education, noted in his article that while institutions provide students with an email account for communication with the institution and faculty, this methodology often fails because students are not regular users of email and they miss messages or receive messages too late for needed action. Pascarella, a noted communication researcher, has identified the importance of communicating with students outside of the classroom to help promote student interpersonal skills, values, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. This study is significant because it will begin the process of identifying 21st century learners' preferred method of communicating with faculty. As a faculty member of a university, it is important to me to understand and know how students prefer to be contacted. This way, I can assist them in the best possible course and make sure that they receive important notifications or clarifications regarding course content from me as their instructor. The purpose of this research was twofold. The first purpose of the project was to identify typical student use of email, phone, texting, and instant messaging to communicate with the instructor. Secondly, to identify student perceptions regarding positive and negative aspects of using email, phone, texting, and instant messaging in communicating with their instructors. Three research questions began the study. However, because this is a qualitative research study, the research questions are subject to change. Research question 1. What communication technology modalities do students prefer to use when contacting faculty or having faculty contact them? Research question 2. What do students perceive as the weaknesses of communication with faculty in higher education institutions? Research question 3. What communication technology modalities do students prefer to use when contacting faculty or having faculty contact them?